Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally. So today I am jumping on real quick to talk about my upcoming giveaway. I am planning to have one as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you are new here on this channel, I do a lot of crafts, primarily farmhouse, but sometimes vintage or cottage style. Also, a number of farmhouse or coastal or cottage furniture flips. Here in my hometown, we have an incredible dump where we are able to drop or take whatever we want off of the good table. So I do some incredible dump hauls. And then from those dump hauls, a lot of trash to treasures. So if that is something that you are interested in, I hope that you will check out some of the videos in my playlists. I also hope that you will subscribe to this channel. And I would love it if you would share this with a friend. And as soon as I hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, then I am going to have a $100 giveaway. I hope that you'll check out some of the videos and enjoy. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Take care.